robocalls are such a problem here in the US right now because, first of all, it's so easy for a bad actor to make calls on the network. They don't really have to have a lot of equipment or a lot of cost to get into it. The other thing is that it doesn't take a lot of success. So if these guys can make millions of calls, even if they have a very small number that they can actually defraud, they still make lots of money doing it. From Ribbon's point of view, what the industry needs in order to mitigate robocalls is a couple of things. The first is know your customer. This is something coming from the regulators in the US, the FCC, and then regulators abroad. And it's really important that we stop the fraud at the originator. To do this, these carriers need things like originating robocall mitigation. STIR/SHAKEN is a technology that allows an originating service provider to put a piece of data into a call and then allows the terminating carrier to pull that piece of data out and know that nobody manipulated it in between. That allows that terminating carrier to go, okay, I trust the person who put this in the call. So really, STIR/SHAKEN is nothing more than a secure way to transfer information from one party to the terminating party. Over the next 12 months, what I think we're going to see is increasing adoption of analytics-based solutions for originating robocall mitigation. That's the know your customer part. So these carriers are going to start to deploy analytic solutions like the ones Ribbon provides in order to profile a customer's traffic behaviors. Ribbon has invested a tremendous amount of intellectual property and what I call domain knowledge. We're putting together analytic solutions that allow us to take that domain knowledge and transfer it into the software system so that the software system can now apply the same domain knowledge we have to analyzing and picking out these calls. And I think this is something where Ribbon really has a tremendous amount of advantage over some of our competitors.